Rubber Base Coat and Builder Gel, two products that look similar in the bottle but do very different things for your nails. Most people choose one or the other, but the best results often come from using both and knowing exactly when to layer them. Let me explain. Rubber Base Coat bends with your nails. Once cured, it stays flexible, moving with your nails instead of resisting them. That flexibility helps prevent lifting, especially if your nails are soft or bend easily, and the self-leveling formula smooths imperfections, creating an even base for your gel polish to adhere to. Builder Gel cures into a hard, durable coating. Once cured, it doesn't flex. It creates a strong, structured layer over your natural nail. It's designed to support nail growth, encourage long-lasting wear and reduce breakages, and as your nails grow longer, you can build an apex to improve balance and add even more support. One more thing worth knowing, if you use Builder Gel, you don't need to fully remove it each time. Simply file back to the existing layer, smooth with your nail file, and continue your manicure as usual. This helps protect the natural nail underneath. So, Rubber Base Coat, Builder Gel, or both? Here's how to decide. If your nails are soft, thin, or bendy, start with Rubber Base Coat. The flexibility helps provide better adhesion and prevents lifting. If you need more strength and durability, go with Builder Gel. Apply a thin coat after your base coat, then build an apex for extra structure as your nails grow longer. The best results often come from layering both. Start with a thin layer of Rubber Base Coat for flexibility and adhesion, then apply 1 to 2 thin coats of Builder Gel for strength and structure. One thing to keep in mind, if your nails are very weak and flexible, the firmness of Builder Gel may still cause lifting. If that's the case, use just Rubber Base Coat until your nails grow stronger. That's Rubber Base Coat versus Builder Gel. Now you know exactly which one your nail needs. Subscribe to keep up with our latest tutorials. See you next time!